Facebook family, YouTube family, Solarge family. So I'm back again with breastfeeding tips and tricks. Yay! So this is going to go into teething. This is what this episode is about. When you are breastfeeding your baby and they begin to teeth, they do like to use your nipple as a teething tool. One thing you will notice is that at first, when they were breastfeeding on you, there really wasn't any pain for the most part. But now, when they teeth on you, and you maybe you take them off, there's this burning, hurting, scraping sensation going on. Two things. One is you want to clean your nipple off immediately, okay, because the enzymes in the baby's mouth that are helping him cope with the teeth coming in, they're going on your nipple, okay. This is called, it's the equivalent, I want to say this before I say it is the equivalent of taking a pain pill, okay? Your baby is naturally producing oxytocin in his mouth. That's what his body is going to naturally produce when he's dealing with something that's causing him pain or discomfort. Our bodies naturally make it. So what is happening is it's in his mouth and all those little enzymes in there that need to help him deal with this and help the teeth to come in. They're going on your nipple, and you want to go ahead and wash that off because there's that it hurts, it burns, all of those wonderful, beautiful things. So get that off. And the next thing is, yes, they are gumming, and their teeth, they're coming in and they're sharp, so you need to get you a nipple cream. I cannot express this enough. That is one of your secret weapons, your arsenals of defense. Okay. I personally use Nipple Crack. It's by Tiny Humans. You can order it on Amazon.com. As soon as he's done, and I take and I sit him down or whatnot, I go and get a baby wipe. Make sure you use a wet wipe that does not have any chemicals in it. That's just going to make it worse. Do not use wet wipes with chemicals in it. No. You need to use a wet wipe that has just water in it, like water wipes. That's the one that I use with Kai, because they are very sensitive and tender when they first come off, and you putting something on there that's got bioclossophosphamide and all these crazy words you don't even know what they mean, that's going to make it worse. If you don't have access to wipes, get you a bunch of little cloths, so have them in like a special container that they're just for your nipples. You need to get some soft cloths. Just use anything. I like to cut up soft old t-shirts. This is just one that I cut up, and I dip them into some hot water that I use from I use the bottle warmers. I have a couple of them. I use bottle warmers as a quick access to hot water at all times, okay? So I dip it in the hot water. I do not re-dip. You dip it in, wipe, toss it in the laundry basket. That's it, okay? You can use bottle warmers for so many things. Oh my God. That is for a whole nother video. But make sure you're wiping your nipple off. It is absolute of the utmost important thing. Like I said, they use your nipple as a tool of comfort during this time. That's not the only thing that's comforting them. They're going to cry because they want to be near the person that solves all of their issues for the most part. And yes, that's you, mommy. So you'll notice when you go to put them down, they cry, they whine, they want you to be back in your arms because they know this is a place of safety. Mommy's gonna make sure that I'm good, that nothing goes wrong. They know that innately because you've established that with them. So they know you're gonna fix the situation. Definitely practice baby wearing. If you don't want to carry your baby in your arm the whole time, especially since they're starting to get bigger. Just keep them near you. I have a bouncy seat kind of thing that I take around with me. I do baby wearing, but I just love to have him just, up on the boot place where he's the most comfortable is near the food. He's most comfortable near the food. So, and I'm wearing one of those shirts that I told you guys about too, and you can check that out in my other video. But they are very comforted by being near you, and don't, be like, oh no, I don't want to hold you again. No, find a way to be near them, even if you gotta sit right there beside them. What I did last night, my arms were so tired. I was like, son, just give me a minute. And he stopped crying because he heard my voice. My husband was trying to hold him, so he turned. I said, turn the chair around to me. Turn the chair around. And I was like doing little hand animal things, gestures, all of this, like wiggling my hands around. And because he could hear my voice while I was doing it, he started laughing. He was happy. And then once I felt good to get back up again, I got up and I was like, hi! I just like moved my head all around. Even my arms are still sore, but it's just them knowing, oh, she's there, there she is. I can see her, they need that, right now. And that's really their medicine, is knowing that, oh yeah, mommy's got me. Mommy got my back, So don't disregard that. That is not small to them. This is enormous in their little baby world. Like, mommy's been here the whole time. This is totally building up a reputation with you and your baby. Like, seriously. This is the stuff you want to be like, making sure you're around for. Yeah. And also, I'll do a video on little tools that I got Kai that actually help when I don't have him up on me. So there are some ones that really work better than other ones, and I'll do that in another video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and from me and Kai, you guys have a great day. Peace. Great job, man. Great job. I was in the nana. I like to eat apples and banana.